Zane Keyboards here. Today we're going to be looking at the Gateron Hippos, which are a really unique switch. We'll be going through the ins and outs of that switch and what to expect if you buy them. Cool. Kinetic Labs sent me their new Gateron Hippo switch. It is the first Gateron switch to be manufactured with an unwiped stem, which is a softer plastic and is known to be a lot more smooth than both PC and nylon style switches. They are pricing it at 50 cents per switch. That makes it a bit more affordable than some other boutique switches out there like the Gateron Black Inks, which are priced at around 75 cents per switch. Alright, let's talk about how I lube these switches. Kinetic Labs sent me Carbon GS2, which is an alternative to Krytox 205G0, and I thought, what better way to try it out than on these Gateron Hippos? According to my buddy Zen on Discord, this has a higher concentration of oil than Krytox does, making it easier to work with. I lightly lube the bottom housing rails, the notches on the top housing, and all over the stem, and back lube my springs off camera. Overall, I'm really impressed by this lube, and it helped me be a lot more consistent. To test stem wobble, I have a few lube switches here that aren't filmed. From left to right, it's the Gateron Browns, Hyperglide Blacks, Alpacas, Marshmallows, Tangerines, NK Creams, and Gateron Hippos. Overall, I think that the Gateron Hippos are the least wobbly alongside the Marshmallows, and it seems like they don't really need filming, so that's great. I think you'll be pretty happy with any of these switches if you're looking for a nice even downstroke, just maybe avoid creams because they're pretty scratchy. Here's how Hippos sound in a board. After testing these switches, I can safely say that they're really great. If you're tired of the run-of-the-mill JWK recolor or just want a bit more of a deeper and more muted sound profile, these switches definitely knock it out of the park. A bit of a side note, even though only a thin layer of lube was applied to the actual switch, I did notice that it seemed a bit over-lubed, but with more testing I've noticed that that's just how the switch actually sounds, so just keep that in mind. So closing thoughts, for 50 cents per switch and featuring an unwiped stem, these are a great option if you've never tried something like this. They're really unique and a pleasure to type on. Excellent switch and a good choice if you're looking to pick some up. Alright, so you guys have made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I am affiliated with Kinetic Labs, and if you use my referral link in the description below while you're checking out, or use code ZAND, that really helps out my channel and helps me pour a lot more of my efforts into this YouTube thing. I have a lot of fun, and it's awesome that they sent out these switches and that GS2 lube for me to look at, and we'll be doing some more stuff very soon. I am going to be doing a switch giveaway at 1,000 subs. Looks like at the time of me recording this video, I have hit 600, so thank you guys so much for all your support. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. I'll see you in the comments. Stand out.